If you need quick lunches for weekdays that keep you full, are high in protein and easy to make, you are in the right place. So let's get cooking. The first recipe is a creamy tofu pasta salad. This one is perfect for work lunches and make-ahead meals. This salad is simple, comforting, and made with real whole food ingredients. We are going to start by cooking the pasta. Add water and salt to a large pot and follow the cooking directions in the package. In this recipe, we are using chickpea pasta, so it's naturally high in protein. Drain and rinse briefly with cool water so you can stop the cooking process. As you can see, all these steps can be made in advance. While the pasta is cooking, steam the broccoli florets. Thaw the peas is frozen using hot water. Then chop the red onion. Now a quick trick that my mom taught me a couple of years ago. If you want to get rid of the astringency, soak the onion in boiling water. Now we are ready to make the sauce. Instead of oil or mayo, we're going to make a creamy sauce using blended tofu. We are going to add plant-based milk, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, garlic and onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. Now it's time to rinse and drain the chickpeas well, and don't forget to save the aquafaba for other recipes. Okay, let's assemble the salad. Combine the pasta, the chickpeas, red onion, the peas, broccoli, and the creamy tofu sauce. Toss gently until evenly coated. And you can keep it up to 3 or 4 days in the fridge. Now let's go for something warm and cozy. You're going to love how quick you can make this soup when you want something comforting, creamy and filling. You just need a couple of ingredients and 20 minutes. It starts with simple aromatics, onion and garlic, cooked gently without oil. You need some water or vegetable broth. Sauté for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now we are going to build the flavor. Add tomato paste, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, red pepper flakes, and nutritional yeast. You can add some water if you need to and cook for about 1 minute. Then add the roasted red bell peppers. I love having these jars in my pantry for several recipes. Add the canned carrots, white beans, salt and pepper to taste, vegetable broth. Combine and bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for 5 minutes. Carefully transfer everything to a blender. Add the tofu, plant-based milk, and basil. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. Return to the pot if needed. You can add more salt, pepper. I love adding some red wine vinegar and lemon juice. And that's it. Enjoy your soup. Both recipes are ready in about 20 minutes and perfect for meal prep or busy days. You will find the full recipes in the description box below. Thank you for cooking with me, and please like, share and subscribe so you can help me to continue sharing these recipes with you. Thank you.